Merhaba, my name is Chloe. I am the Blue Guide team leader here in the beautiful TUI Blue Xanthi. Today I'm going to give you a little tour around the hotel, tell you some of my favourite spots and also what can make your holiday extra special here at the TUI Blue Xanthi. Now when you first enter the TUI Blue Xanthi, you will be greeted by our fantastic reception staff who are going to make sure you get checked in nice and quickly, and our bellboys will make sure that all of your bags get taken to your room so you can get your holiday off to the best possible start. So now we can follow out onto the balcony, which overlooks the main hotel, our main relaxed pool, and also is a perfect place to come and get a drink in the evening and watch the sunset. So here we have our main restaurant, serving you breakfast, lunch and dinner. With lots of variety and even dietary requirements accounted for, you're sure to find something yummy to eat every single mealtime. So here we have a children's buffet. We have hot and cold food, perfect for our little guest with the smallest of fingers. We have hot food on this side, and follow it round, we've got our colder section and some sweet treats as well. We do also have a refrigerator filled with yogurts, drinks and our baby food as well. Now outside of our main restaurant we also have our grill area. This is all freshly grilled and it's definitely worth popping out to see some of the excellent grilling options we have. Now we are going to head to the beach bar and our beach facilities, which are available for all guests to use during their stay. We do also serve snacks at our beach bar and also including this, a fresh fruit buffet. It's definitely worth popping down and getting your feet in the sand while you're here. Now at the beach bar we do have our fantastic team here who will make sure you're well hydrated during your stay. We do also have a water machine available for all of our guests to access. Now our beach bar does serve snacks and also does make sure that all of our guests are refreshed. The beach bar does have a fresh fruit counter as well, and it's a great place to hang out in the shade. We do have entertainment in the beach bar as well, everything from darts to shuffleboard and of course the famous French bowl match every single morning. Also attached to our beach bar, we do also have our kids play area. If our younger of guests would like to get out of the sun and into the shade for a while, but still have lots of fun here on their holiday, they can come onto the play area, which is a nice shaded corner of the beach. Now here is our pool bar. Our pool bar is open 9 until midnight every single day, which is a great place to cool down in the midday sun, to have a quick tipple before dinner or to wind down of an evening. We have everything here from lemonade, iced coffee and everything in between. We also have a fantastic bar staff here to serve you all day and all night to make sure you are fully refreshed during your stay. Now the TUI Blue Xanthi, we do have 5 swimming pools here, so we have something for everyone, from our smallest guests who can use our child pools and the baby pools, right the way up to our adults, where we have our Olympic sized swimming pool for them to be able to enjoy and get that nice refreshing dip after a long day in the sun. And just across from our Olympic pool we do have our children's pool, which the sun loungers are nicely shaded and the pool water is perfect for even our smallest of guests. Now this section here is our children's slides. These are open twice a day and it's perfect for our little splashes here in the hotel. Now behind me are our big slides and our selfie spot. So here in the hotel we do have 2 sets of slides. We have children's slides and we also have the slightly bigger ones for our bigger kids here and also the adults as well. We do also have a fantastic little selfie spot, so if you want to make the most of those holiday memories and get all those amazing photos, you can add them on here. It's definitely worth getting a little bit of thrill in your stay. So this section is our relaxed pool. There is no entertainment here, but it's the perfect place to catch those rays and sit down and relax on your holiday. Now for anyone who would like to relax a little bit more during their stay and soak up those rays of glorious Turkish sunshine, we do have our hammocks, which anyone can use any time of the day, so either to watch the sun rise or watch the sunset. You are more than welcome to sit back, relax and have a little snooze in the sun. Right next to our kids slides we do also have our outdoor kids club venue, as well as a little splash pool. Now our outdoor kids club is used throughout the summer months and has loads of room for play and activities with our fantastic childcare team who'll be able to keep your children entertained at the various sessions we do here. It also has a large outdoor space with covers, which the children can also enjoy. So we have 2 kids clubs here in the hotel. This is our indoor kids club, where the kids can come, cool down and play with our fantastic childcare team. Now inside of our kids club we do also have our baby change facilities. This is Thea's, our coffee shop. Now during the day you can get patisserie, cakes and sweet treats, and during the evening it does turn into a bar as well, so another place for you to be able to get some refreshments. So just along from Thea's coffee shop we do have our indoor kids club, the hairdressers, the gym and also the indoor pool. So as you can see we do also have our indoor pool here. It's open 8 AM to 8 PM every single day for those guests who would like a slightly warmer dip during their stay. We can head through to our fantastic sauna and spa facilities. Next up, we are going to head to one of the best rooms in the spa. It is the hammam room. Now in here, it can be 1 person, 2 person, or you can come in with the whole family to have a traditional Turkish hammam. So this here is our relaxation room for anyone after their treatments who would just like to sit back, relax and enjoy some tea. It's also got a beautiful view over our garden area. We'll now head through to the sauna and steam room facilities for all of our guests to be able to use during their stay. Through here are our treatment rooms. So we have a variety of treatment rooms depending on what package you purchase. The girls at the spa are absolutely fantastic and it's highly recommended that you come and you get one of the amazing massages while you're here. Now here at the hotel we have 2 entrances and exits. We have the main reception and we also have the beach exit. We do have security on each one and do say a merhaba to our wonderful security guards. Now we've entered our amphitheatre. Now the amphitheatre is where all of our evening entertainment is held. Up on the main stage we have everything from dance acts, singers, performers and even the circus. It's definitely worth a visit to some of our evening entertainment while you're here at the TUI Blue Xanthi. But get here early because it fills up fast. We do also have mini disco 6 nights a week available for all of the little guests too. I hope you enjoyed that guided tour of our beautiful TUI Blue Xanthi here in Side in Turkey. We look forward to welcoming you to the hotel very, very soon. And if you need any more information, it is all available on the TUI website. We look forward to seeing you soon.